Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to duplicate a track in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can get started with finding all the instruments you can play. You can get started opening up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started duplicating tracks. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up any of the recording menus right here. Any instrument, doesn't matter. I'm going to open up the audio recorder, and it's going to open up the recording menu where we can get started recording our track. We can insert any music we want and so on. And basically let's go ahead and find our tracks right here in the upper left corner by clicking the mixing mode and the edit menu. That's going to open up this new mixing mode where you can find all the tracks we have. As you can see, we have our audio recorder I have created, the grand piano, drums, and so on. So guys, all you have to do if you want to duplicate your track is find the track right here and just tap on the icon of the instrument next to it. So as you can see, let's say I want to duplicate the drums track. As you can see, one of the options that will appear in the menu that you can see right now is duplicate. So if you click duplicate, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and duplicate your track and create it right here under it. And now you can go and tap on the track itself, and after that you can click on copy. After that, just tap on it and click paste, and as you can see, now we have two multiple tracks that we can place wherever we want. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.